First hike of the new year. 2020 hike season has begun. I'm doing one we haven't done in years. It's a little swampy out here. It's a little bit muddy. Most of the mud is frozen, which has been kind of nice.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, Mom almost went in the stream.
I'm fine.
Like.
You fall this way.
Hey guys, Happy New Year! We're on our first hike of the new year. We're checking out a place. We came here before, but it was warmer weather, so we're checking this out in the winter. There's some waterfalls here, and I've seen some awesome pictures of the waterfall having icicles and stuff, so we came to check it out. It's been pretty warm this winter, so I don't know if it'll be frozen or not, but we're gonna see. We don't do a whole lot for New Year's. We try to make some fun traditions with the kids. We just stay at home and play games and hang out as a family, have some special snacks. And last year I got them each a special journal, but it's only for New Year's, so they write down some good memories from the past year and maybe a goal they have for the new year and how they've seen God working in their lives over the past year. And so it was fun, so we got to look back at what they wrote last year, and we got to write some new stuff this year. But that's all we did. What do you guys do for New Year's, and how do you ring in the new year? We made a goal as a family to start hiking a little bit more regularly. We had done that, and then we kind of got out of it for a while, so we recommitted to hiking. We're trying to complete at least 25 hikes. We figured that was reasonable. That means if we go every other week or twice a month, we'll hit that no problem.
See if you can fit in there, boy. That'll be a good hiding spot to scare your mom.
I hope there's no raccoons living in there. Or spiders.
Or rattlesnakes.
Now you made me think of that, and I don't want to go in there.
Quite a view from down here. The terrain is getting pretty steep and rugged. How you doing?
I'm good.
Very ravine like down in here. I don't know if you can tell. Pretty pretty. We're almost to the waterfall. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Gotta do a little climbing.
I got it. Got my 20-year-old hikers on, so I'm good.
There she blows and flows. Wow, look at all those icicles up there. I don't know if you can see that.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Alright, we are under the waterfall now. A little icy, a little wet, getting dripped on. Alright, we're gonna walk under the bigger part of it, see if we can not get too wet. It's a little wet and icy. Oh boy. Slippery. We did it. What do you think?
I love it. I'm so glad you came.
This is her element with waterfalls. For those of you watching that have kids, if you haven't done stuff like this, you should, because they will literally play here and throw rocks
They're happy. They'd
for
be happy
hours.
for hours.
Yeah, and we can just
Climbing
sit here.
around, throwing rocks in.
Oh, there she is. Yes,
Hopefully you don't lose one.
free babysitter. Sometimes you lose one or two kids. That's okay. I think I got wetter than she did.
I got this.
Are you young and agile?
No.
Are you young and agile?
Yeah. This one's
What you doing there?
Well, I was rolling my neck.
So we're almost back to the car. First hike of 2020
Yeah.
in the books.
It was a good one.
We'll give a final.
Go ahead with your foot.
All right, what you doing there? Let's see the number.
All right.
Back to the parking lot.
Gather around, everybody.
Activity paused.
3 miles, 3.45 miles, 296 calories. Well, not the best speed, but
Slow speed.
still, that's 3.5 miles
we
with
still got out.
these little midgets. So,
2 hours and 14 minutes to go 3.5.
we
Awesome.
are heading home, and we will see you
See you next
next
time.
time.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.